Guys, I'm making a video. This is a new video. So apparently I'm gonna do this easy. I'll be bet when we die we're gonna get a band. The name is Easy Body. He bet you. Wait, I forgot the name. Someone died on a block? Is there secretly some okay bricks under it? Why are they? Because when it stay on the for too long. Man! Ooh. Wait, it's a fake band. I'm in a band zone. Yeah! Yeah! Please with me. Yeah! Did you see it? Wait, what? Oh yeah, they should be here instead. I'm trying to complete it. Why is there a free skip? What's that rainbow coil? Okay. What's this? Fusion coil. Is it the green one? And you just made it. And rainbow of 4 corners. There's someone. This is so easy. 50. Everyone reaches 50 easily. I hope it is not that another 50 and reached it. This is so easy. Why did they make it so easy? I got a new band ticket. No, it's a free skip. Oh my god. What? Whoa. At the end will be a huge prize. Okay, if you don't see it, I circle it. It's at the top. No. This is a very cool game, you know. But I'm choosing the one that's under one bar, and you're already banned. Ban zone. Look at me. Wait, why am I floating? Everyone is. I see someone. I see some people. Ah! Yeah! Phew! Damn! Tricky. Now you don't have to see my actual finger. And so, this is a lot more better. A jump. Oh well, I got a jump. I'm using this one because the other is harder. Wait, ain't this supposed to jump? Whew. That's the one. Ah! Yeah. This. I fell while doing it. I was like 3 times already. I wish my friend joined. Boing. Whoa. This is so cool. Is this the water is freaking. Bro. I thought it was free. No, it's not. I'm gonna do it without skips. And that's not a skip. Not again. I'm gonna. I can't see. That's this level, bro. That's. I was rejoining when you ready. The circle was still here. Oh wait, I can show the animation. What? Oh my. Madness. This is kind of long though. It's like 10 and 11 and 2 seconds. And it's long already. Yeah. Now it's 11 minutes and 20 seconds. That's a lot. Wait, can someone see it? I can't see it right now. What? It's the wrong place. 11 and 42. This is kind of weird. Now it's off. Black and purple. I just know. I only need. It's 6. I only need to do 6 more stages. Just I'm doing. Oh yeah, I got banned. Sometimes we're in the earth, but it got somehow messed up. Whew, that's scary. Wait, did the grass change? It did. You can see how it was green first. Okay, we have to stop a bit here, and then now, look, the color changed. I'm not lying. Yeah. Okay, I'm doing. Time to look.